What is exfoliation and why it is important? Do you know it can reduce the symptoms of acne and breakouts? Not sure what to use for exfoliation? Okay, now I'm your science teacher who's gonna explain all these. Exfoliation involves the removal of the oldest dead skin cells from the skin's surface. Exfoliation keeps your skin silky, soft and smooth by buffing away the dead skin cells on the skin surface. Your skin naturally sheds dead skin cells every 30 days or so. When this happens, new skin cells form the top layer of your skin. If those dead cells don't shed, it results in dry, flaky and patchy skin. Exfoliator is something that helps you in the process of exfoliation. You can exfoliate using a physical, chemical or an enzyme or make it at home. Just simply grind the green gram into a mixer, make it a fine powder, add a little bit of rose water to it and apply it on your face. I also make a lot of DIY at home facial scrubs videos. For that you need to first finish watching this video, and after watching this video, click on the description box, links will be provided down below. This one from the Face Shop is a physical exfoliator which I am currently using and I really love. This is called the Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub. For those of you who are beginner in exfoliation and you have sensitive skin, then I highly recommend you to try the Face Shop Smart Peeling Scrub because the granules of this sugar is very mild. As you can see, look at that honey. Wow guys, I feel like licking it. So whenever you buy scrub, make sure it has fine beads to it, fine granules to it like this one. You cannot see the granules on camera, but when you touch it, you could feel that sugar granules. It is very mild, very tiny. One interesting fact about this scrub is that it warms up when you apply it. When you apply it, you will feel the warmthness. Right now on my fingers, on my back of my palm, I could feel a little bit of warmthness, slightly hot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply the scrub on half of my face. But the side that I use the scrub feels very soft and smooth, and I feel like it's like a fresh newborn skin, and that's what it does. It exfoliates the dead skin cells. The side I use the scrub feels very soft, and there's also a little bit of glow on the side because it has removed the dead skin cells that was giving me dull and tired look. I'm not sure how much it is visible on the camera, but it feels really soft, smooth and also added a little bit of glow. Now coming to the point, why should we exfoliate? It minimizes blemishes and breakouts. Exfoliation can help to unclog the pores to minimize the appearance of blackheads and whiteheads. If there's any blackheads and whiteheads, especially on the nose and the chin area, it also removes that. It improves the skin hydration and moisture levels. If you are guilty of neglecting to exfoliate your skin, it is likely that your skin is suffering from dehydration. As the dead skin cells build up, it is harder for your skin to absorb the hydrating moisturizers that you apply every day. Now you know why your skincare products aren't working. When you exfoliate your skin regularly, it is easy for your skin to absorb the moisturizers, creams, toners and whatever skincare product you apply. Challenge your skin's aging process and smoothens the texture. As you get older, your skin will age. You may notice dark pigmentation spots, reduced elasticity and rough patches. Exfoliating is beneficial for breaking up those pigmented cells. It removes the buildup of dry skin and helps you to maintain the glow as you mature. So how often you can exfoliate? If you have oily skin, you can exfoliate thrice a week. If you have dry skin, exfoliate twice a week. This particular product from the Face Shop is good for sensitive skin as well, so you don't have to worry about scrubbing thrice or twice a week. So these are the things that I wanted to say, and when I talk with my friends, they say I already apply a lot of creams, night creams, day creams, toners, moisturizers. What is the need for exfoliation? I'm like, dude, please exfoliate your skin. Only then your moisturizers can penetrate and work the best. If you want me to suggest the scrubs for you, then you can go for the Innisfree Wine Peeling Jelly Softener, or the NEUTROGENA Whitehead Illuminating Scrub, or the N-Caffeine's Coffee Scrub, or the Face Shop Honey and Black Sugar Scrub. These are the scrubs that I currently use and I really like. After scrubbing my face, what I'd like to do is I apply my favorite moisturizer. Currently I'm using the Bioderma Sensibio Defensive Rich active soothing cream for sensitive and sensitized skin. As I told you guys, skincare products after scrubbing penetrates deeply into the skin. So I'm gonna do that. I'm taking a little bit. I love the texture of this cream because it is not too thick and not too thin. Little bit goes a long way. Investing once in this product gonna last me really long. This cream is specially formulated for sensitive and sensitized skin. It is formulated with vitamin E and Carnosine, an antioxidant that reduces UV damage. It also has a Tetra peptide that strengthens the skin barrier. It protects the skin from pollution and daily aggression. It soothes the skin immediately and it strengthens the skin barrier. And it moisturizes for up to 12 hours. Isn't that great, guys? Once in the morning, good to go for 12 hours straight. I recommend this product for people who have sensitive skin. This product is especially made for you guys. And also I recommend this product for those who have dry skin. This product just works superbly for dry skin. If you have oily skin, use a tiny little bit on your face and that's going to last really long. The MRP of this product is $825. Currently this is priced at rupees 743 at 10% off. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any doubts, do ping me on Instagram or put it down in the comment section below. I'm available everywhere for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.